as the investigations progress into the Red Fort blast case. Sources now say that Dr. Shaheen Shahid, who is one of the accused and also the leading lady of the women's wing of Jaish-e-Mohammed in India, has reportedly been stockpiling these explosives for nearly 2 years. According to sources, during interrogation, she confessed that she and her associates, also doctors again, were plotting a major terrorist attack in India. Now, the agency is continuously questioning Shaheen Shahid as part of this ongoing investigation, but so far these revelations have come to light. First, that she was stockpiling explosive for nearly 2 years now, and second, that she and her associates were planning something major, a major terrorist attack in India. This has now been revealed as the investigation continues. Remember, a total of about 6 to 7 arrests have been made in this case, and the interrogation is continuously going on. NIA is the one who's leading the investigation at this point. All the accused who've been arrested in this case, they are continuously being questioned by the agency, and now these revelations have come to light. First, that she was reportedly stockpiling these explosives for nearly 2 years now, which of course explains the quantity that was recovered. And secondly, that she and her associates, also doctors, they were plotting a major terrorist attack in India. So viewers, it seems like the agencies were able to in fact prevent a major attack. But of course, one person did slip, and it led to India losing about 9 precious lives in the recent attack at the Red Fort. But now it seems from the recent revelations that we did prevent a major disaster. Remember, Dr. Shaheen Shahid is one of the accused in the case. She was leading the women's wing of Jaish-e-Mohammed in India. She was responsible for recruitment of women. And now during investigation, she has revealed that she was stockpiling these explosives for nearly 2 years now. And in fact, she along with her associates, they were planning a major terrorist attack in India. That's the latest we're getting in as far as the Red Fort blast investigation goes. Remember, her brother has also been taken into custody. He is also being questioned at this point. But Dr. Shaheen Shahid, who was leading the women's wing of Jaish-e-Mohammed in India, has now revealed that she was reportedly stockpiling these explosives for nearly 2 years. Again, which explains the quantity of explosives that was recovered from their possession.